Hi, welcome to Simply Change channel. Right now, we're in the process of rebranding this channel. I have spent days and nights watching video tutorials on how to improve our YT channel and to grow it as well. Today's vlog is about how to create videos using free online applications such as Pexels and Pixabay using Wondershare Filmora. I don't mind if there is watermark that is shown there. It's okay with me, provided I can make a. So here we have the videos of dogs, which are actually high definition, taken from Pixabay and Pexels. You can do the same if you wish. So look at this. It's really very beautiful. So starting today, you will be able to make beautiful videos even if you don't have any videos at all. How about you, Whitey? You're a very good watchdog. So watch and see. Learn every day. There is no time for sleeping and resting. It's always time to learn. Look at this cute little cat. Always cleaning or doing her skincare. Wow, vain! And look at this cute cat. Hi, Cubby Cat. What? Or Tubby Cat. Sorry, Tabby. What are you looking for? Why are you watching? And you, cute cat. Wow. Can I own you? I'd love to have a pet like you. Cute. Oh, sleepy already. And this one too. Wow, with its red scarf. Beautiful. And so you see, I've got a video that is original, although I got only my video clips from Pixabay and Pexels. Thanks.